cut this. Ha! That was perfect. Ah! Goop. I feel like a dragon, and my horde is squash. Oh, okay. I think the squash might be totally cooked through. I was kind of worried about that since I didn't have a Dutch oven. I cooked through that squash like it was nothing. I would say the butternut squash isn't quite as flavorful. I feel like that flavoring is in the broth, in the quinoa, and the beans. I like it when it's combined. Like when it's all this good stuff. I like that. It's like there's just enough to like hold you over and keep you full until the main course comes out. Or you can eat it with the main course and it's not gonna make your belly hurt. My friends, I hope you have an awesome week. Thank you so much for being with me during this vegan Thanksgiving or vegan holiday series. I'm super excited. My goal this week is to put out 2 more videos, and it's actually going to be vegan main dishes. And then next week, I'm going to have, my goal, 2 vegan desserts. So I'm super excited about that. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, I'm gonna see if I can put a little link up here in one of the corners. So my friends, I hope you have an awesome week, and until next time, stay blonde.